Are you a serial cheater when you're on a diet? Get ready with me as I share some advice from a keto recipe creator. Take time to think about why it is that you cheat on your diet. I mean, you know it's good for you to eat right and to look after your body from within. By cheating, you are self-sabotaging and you got to stop it, otherwise you're never going to drop the weight or achieve your goals. The million-dollar question is, how do you get over self-sabotage and get to a place of confidence and loving yourself again? The thing is, you are unique. There is only one you in the world, an original work of art. Start by replacing the negative thoughts that you have about yourself. Things like you are worth happiness. You deserve to be the best version of yourself. Right now, you are loved. An important one is you deserve to be healthy too. There are actually so many affirmations that you can look up online. And look, we all got individual things about us that need work. So just look it up online and try and get some inspiration for the affirmations that you need to apply to your life. Another tip is stop using food as a crutch. Do you overeat per day? What's your calorie intake? Here's a good one. What about your family and friends? Do they positively contribute to your life, your psyche? Do the things that they say mess with your head? And I'm not talking about the one-offs here. It's those comments that are repeated to you over and over again over a long time. Those are the ones that really mess with your brain. And sometimes you don't even realize it. So the next time you reach for something that you're not supposed to have, stop yourself and think, what is making me do this? What is making me want to reach for this crappy food? If you come from a life of pain, emotional or physical abuse, the chances are that you could never be successful dieting because you haven't got your mind right. Another excuse is just pure laziness. You're lazy to make your healthy food. You're lazy to just think about what you should and shouldn't be eating. And please, this advice is all with the caveat that you don't actually have a genuine health concern that is stopping you from losing weight. That is not what this advice is about. It's all about getting your mind right. Because the truth is, you can do anything that you put your mind to. Yes, you can. So, get rid of the negative thoughts. You might think that they don't affect you, but they really do. And how do I know all this? I was you. I was that person who was a serial cheater. I think for at least 10 years, I kept cheating, starting this diet and that diet, and nothing worked. Diets do work. It's here that's the problem. Stop cheating.